What's up, guys? Welcome back to Picky Garage. If you're tuning in for the first time, thanks so much for tuning in, checking out the channel. This is another part of the garage build series. This is a metal garage. It's been like quite a while and a long process of building this thing just because of the whole, COVID stuff and prices through the roof. This garage is costing 2 times as much as it was like quoted like a couple years ago. But we finally got the garage doors. They are 9 feet high by 10 feet wide. We went with a little bit of different of style, where they have like the 2 pieces of glass. It's a pretty cool look. Concrete was poured. That's how the concrete comes outside. We finished up the fence. The fence was needed to be finished in order to pass the building, but we'll go inside. The electric is currently being ran right now, and I'll show you what we're going with. So here's the inside of the garages. We went with LiftMaster side reel, so the actual garage doors open up all the way to the 12-foot high ceilings, as you can see. So it's perfect for if you're planning on having lifts, which we are. Same with this guy on this side. There's the LiftMaster. Right now the electrician is running electric. We're doing outlets all the way across. So there will be an outlet here, outlet here, outlet here, outlet by the window, Cat 6 cable for a router, and TV up here, another outlet, outlet in the middle, outlet, 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 outlet. And then on the tops here, this is where we're going to do the reels. So it's going to be a hose line reel to where you can have like 100-foot air reel. So if you have a car outside, you can fill up the car, the air in your tires, whatever you need to do. Use like an air tool. I know you can do like polishers, stuff like that. More or less just going to be using it to fill up air in tires. And beside it is going to be a 100-foot electric reel for, whatever utility you need to use. What's up, Max? Everyone say hi to Max. This is my little puppy. We're going to do a reel on this side too, just in case something needs to be reached over here. You don't have to go all the way across the garage. We have the mini split unit, the Mitsubishi mini split. That's going to go right in the middle. And crank out, the AC. This is all going to be insulated, all white walls, white ceilings, the 12-foot high ceilings. We're doing a new type of bulb. It's these little circle cans. It really does a good job of, one just picked up, of displacing light through the building. So we're doing 6 cans, one on that post, one here, one there, this side, and this side. They're super bright, so we are going to put them on dimmers. Also, we're doing 2 industrial fans, about 56 inches, all black. Along with the lights, we're doing black lights as well. So it's going to be 2 fans to really air out this place. Other than that, we got the new door finally. You can see the indents. It's no longer the smooth door that we didn't like. But yeah, the garage is finally coming along. After everything gets ran and the outlets get put in, then insulation will go up, the metal walls, and after that, the electrician comes back, finishes up every little last touch, puts in the outlets, yada yada. Then the floors will get done, driveway will get done, and then the lift will go in. Yeah, so it's coming along nicely. We're really excited on the progress finally. I know it's been a little while since you guys have seen a garage update video, but that's because we were waiting on these garage doors for so long. But yeah. All right, guys, so the electricians came back. I'm gonna just put this section into the rest of the video. And they actually put all the outlets in so you guys can see them for yourself. There's the breaker box, outlet, light switch. There's an outlet, all 4 prong outlets, outlet, receptacle, and Cat 6 for the TV, another Cat 6 for the TV, a 2-prong outlet for wireless speakers, center outlet, another outlet, outlet that goes up there in the corner for the speakers. 240 volt outlet for air compressor or electric car charger. Another outlet that is going to go like this. It's not going to look crooked like that. Outlet, outlet, outlet. Oh, there's the outlet for the electric reel. That outlet up there is for the lift master. For the ceilings, you can see the wires where all the lights go. The orange wires are going to be for the lifts. Yeah, and then here's the outlet up here for the other electric reel, and then outlet there for the lift master. Oh, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to get back to each and every one of you guys. Thanks so much for watching and checking out the channel.